The reticulated giraffe, with its beautiful geometric coat pattern, is one of the most recognizable giraffe species in Africa. Known for its elegance and grace, this species is native to the dry savannas of northern Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia. Today, we'll uncover the fascinating world of the reticulated giraffe, its speed, size, diet, and unique role in the African ecosystem. One of the most striking features of the reticulated giraffe is its intricate coat, which is covered in polygonal brown patches outlined by bright white lines, resembling a web or net. These patterns serve as camouflage in the savannas. On average, males can grow up to 18 feet tall, while females reach about 17 feet. Males typically weigh around 2,600 pounds, with females weighing slightly less. This massive size, combined with their long legs and necks, gives them a regal appearance on the African plains. Reticulated giraffes are social creatures that live in loose herds. Although they don't form permanent groups, females are often seen together with their calves, fostering strong bonds and exhibiting a high level of fidelity toward their offspring. Calves stay close to their mothers for up to 2 years. Males, on the other hand, tend to live more solitary lives or gather in small groups of bachelor males, occasionally engaging in necking, a form of sparring used to establish dominance. Don't let their size fool you. Despite their towering height, reticulated giraffes can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour when necessary. Their long legs allow them to cover vast distances with ease, and their gait is surprisingly graceful. Though they generally move at a slow, leisurely pace, these giraffes can swiftly escape danger when needed, making their speed a valuable survival tool. Reticulated giraffes are primarily found in the arid and semi-arid regions of northern Kenya, as well as parts of Ethiopia and Somalia. These regions are characterized by open woodlands, savannas, and scrublands, where acacia trees are abundant. Their habitat is often dry, with little rainfall, which has shaped their behavior and dietary habits. These giraffes are well adapted to living in harsh conditions and can go for extended periods without drinking water, relying on moisture from the plants they consume. Reticulated giraffes are herbivores, primarily feeding on the leaves of acacia trees. Their long, prehensile tongues, measuring up to 18 inches, are perfectly adapted for plucking leaves from thorny branches. They can consume up to 75 pounds of food each day. Giraffes are ruminants, which means they chew their cud like cows to help digest their food more efficiently. They also eat flowers, fruits, and bark, depending on what's available. Interestingly, they can survive for long periods without drinking water, as they get most of their hydration from the plants they eat. Now let's take a look at some fascinating facts about the reticulated giraffe that make this species even more intriguing. Despite their long necks, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. However, each vertebra is elongated to allow for their incredible neck length. Reticulated giraffes can go for weeks without water as they get moisture from the plants they eat. When they do drink, they have to awkwardly splay their legs apart and bend down, making them vulnerable to predators. Male giraffes engage in necking, a form of combat where they swing their necks and heads at each other. The winner often gains dominance within the group and may have better access to mates. Giraffes are light sleepers. They sleep for short periods, often standing up, and can survive on just 30 minutes of sleep per day. The reticulated giraffe population has been in decline due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Today, fewer than 16,000 reticulated giraffes remain in the wild. Their conservation status is currently listed as endangered, and efforts are underway to protect this species through habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and community-based conservation projects. Sustainable tourism in East Africa is also playing a vital role in giraffe conservation, helping to raise awareness and funds to protect these gentle giants. The reticulated giraffe is not just a symbol of African wildlife, it's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists between nature and human impact. With their breathtaking beauty and gentle presence, these giraffes are a treasure that needs our protection. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the reticulated giraffe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help spread the word about wildlife conservation.